Hi everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today we're going to unbag an Ipsy bag. I'm so excited. I have an add-on in here that I'm very anxious for. Ipsy is a monthly bag, box, whichever, it's clearly a bag, but we all say unboxing. That is $10 and you get about 5 sample sizes. Sometimes they throw in full-size items, and they've started a new program where they make an announcement, and near the beginning of the month now, you can go in, they let you know when, and do add-ons. And there are certain items that are $12 and certain items that are $3. And you pick what you want and you just add it, and it ships for free in your bag. This is, I think, the second month, and I've done it both times because, frankly, I can't get enough brushes. Spoiler alert, my add-on is a brush. So let's get in here and see what else I've got. I've seen the bag, but I don't know what my products are, so I'm so excited. But here's my add-on. This was a F.A.R.A.H powder brush, 50, I believe, was its number. And, oh look, it's in like a little fishing net, like it got caught. Oh no! I guess it keeps it in nice shape though. Oh, popped off really nicely. I needed a new powder brush. I actually had my granddaughter here one day, and she was watching me do my makeup, and I gave her a brush to play with. She's 18 months old. It went slightly amok, but that's okay because now I have this nice pretty pink one. Oh, it's super soft. I love it. I'm over 50, so I don't do a lot of powders, but like if I choose to bake my under eyes, or sometimes I've started adding powder here and then dusting off after because they say it helps highlight down there. I don't know, but it feels very nice and it's very pretty. I'm so excited. It's, like I said, it's a F.A.R.A.H 50 brush, powder brush. Okay, let's get into the bag and see what I've got. So first we have the Swoon So Hard. There's a lot to love about this month. Oh, and it tells you. Here, I'll tell you exactly what it says. It says that they're going to add 30 new add-on products every month. So that's exciting. They say like Huda Beauty, Sunday Riley, and Smashbox. So that's very cool. And it says that you'll get an email, so be on the lookout because they sell out fast. So, and then my products, no cheating, are on the back. So this is this month's bag. Super cute. It's kind of like a light pink background with the Kiss lips in a darker pink. It's kind of got a, it feels a cross between a vinyl. Yeah, it's kind of vinyl. It's vinyl. I was gonna say it's a cross between like a vinyl and a silky, but it's just a really nice feeling vinyl with a pretty pink zipper and pull. I like it. I will probably carry it for the rest of the month because it's super cute. So let's just reach on in here and see what we've got. Can we do it without looking? Yes. First, I have the MAC in Extreme Dimensions Lash. And it's a tiny little sample size MAC mascara. Ooh, it's tight. Ooh, it's good. Oh, it's one of the wands like I love. I love it when they're just straight and flat. That's really cool. So that'll be fun to try. I think I've tried this before. I'm not sure that it's my favorite, but it'll still be cool. Next in the box, we have, oh, it's a tiny little package. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's wrapped again. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. This is a Meech and Mia pressed eyeshadow in taupe. Let's see what it swatches like. It's just a really pretty little taupe. Frankly, I almost feel like it's light enough / dark enough with my skin. If it's not too cool, I could, oh, it's so creamy. Yeah, it's definitely too light though. I was gonna say I could use it as a primer, but I mean bronzer, but I definitely cannot. It's way too cool. But it's very pretty and I'm surprised it's so creamy. I know the swatches don't really mean anything with how they're gonna go on your eyes, but it's just a pretty taupe. This would be a great base color just for an all over before you start your look. I like it a lot. Okay, next we have the Hanalei lip treatment in peachy pink. That's very cool. What a cute little tube. I've seen a lot. Oh, and it's got a little tiny safety seal. I feel like I want to do Abby's safety seal. Safety seal. She should copyright that because we're going to steal it. And I've seen Hanalei lip scrubs. I I haven't gotten one yet. I feel like I have a box that it was one of the options, but I didn't get it. And it's, oh, it's a full little tube. Very neat. Oh, squirted right out of there. And it's just, oh, that's very pretty. And it just feels like you would expect, like after you scrub your lips, but you're just going to be around your house. It's just a slight wash of a peachy pink color. And it's got that oily feel, that like a gloss. It feels like a gloss. But it's supposedly it's good for your lips. Let's see what this says. It says that it's made in Hawaii by chemists and that it hydrates and rejuvenates with cocoa oil and vitamin A, C, and E. So it's really good for your skin too. So that's for your lips too. So that's nice. Let me see if I can just rub it in. I'll tell you, I used, you can see in my Boxycharm video, I used the Coco Cabana, does it smell like coconut? Does it smell like buttered popcorn lotion on my hand? And it smells like buttered popcorn. But my hand is crazy soft, so I might have to suffer through that smell. Just use it in the evening. Anyway, I'll link the video in case you have any interest in that. Okay, next we have a big tube called Grow Long. And it is a Marc Anthony True Professional Strengthening Grow Anti-Breakage Mask. Very neat. I always am happy to, oh, safe to see you. All right, Abby. It is going to be great. I love masks for my hair because I get so much breakage because it's so fine and thin. It's just a little white. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells like fruity almost. Super fresh and fruity. It smells like it belongs at like Bath and Body Works. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. But it has that, you know how they all have like that fruity, or a lot of them have that fruity, fresh. It smells nice. I will definitely be using this in my hair because I would not be unhappy if my hair ended up smelling like this and being longer and stronger. So that's fantastic. And I think last but not least, I have a lipstick. It is Belle in Argent Artur Cream Lip Color in I'll Bring Dessert. So very cool. Let's see what that is. Let's see if we can get this box open. We can. Oh, it's a very pretty little metallic bullet that already, because my hands are greasy from everything, I'm leaving prints. I'd say it's probably a full-size lipstick. It is a gorgeous color. It's kind of similar to the one I have on now. Let's see if it swatches opaque or light. Let's not swatch it on that hair mask. Very pretty. Yeah, it's going to be buildable to opaque. It's kind of a cross between a pinky. It's in person, it's showing up a little brickier than it is on here. That looks, I see more, at least I see more plum in that, but in real life it looks a little brickier than that. Very pretty. All right, so that's my Ipsy bag. So see, periodically you get a full size because this is a full size product. So we got these super cute little, I'm sure Valentine's themed bag. It's just, how cute is that? The Belle in Argent lip, the Grow Long Marc Anthony mask, the Hanalei or Hanalei, I don't know, lip treatment in peachy pink, the Meech and Mia taupe pressed eyeshadow, and the MAC mascara. It's in that little tube. Very cute. And my add-on brush. I just love, don't you just love a new brush? I mean, you wash them and they're nice again, but they're never the same as when they come in fresh. Okay, I waxed poetic about this little F.A.R.A.H brush enough. Thanks for coming by, guys. Please like and subscribe. Comment below. Did you get very different things in your bag? Did you do any of the add-ons? Last month I did an add-on too. Last month I did a Luxie Contour mini contour brush as my add-on for $3. You just can't beat that. You just can't beat that. So thanks so much for coming by, guys. I have more unboxings to come, so please come back.